Alright, welcome back on my Legendary Traders and Entrepreneurs. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys my last week's profits. And if you guys are new to this channel, what this channel is all about is showing you guys all my profits from, or my journey from $0 in profit to $100,000 in profit. And I also have my FX book linked down below, so you guys will be able to, check out the verified trades and seeing that it's a live account. I see a lot of YouTubers online, they talk about the daily trades, but they don't show you the long-term results, which is what really matters. So that's why I want to be transparent with you guys and just showing you guys the live trades and the profits and the losses, the ups and the downs, okay? So let's get straight to my live account. So if you guys go to MYFXBOOK, you guys will also see these trades that are set in there. But I'll just briefly talk about it and show you guys what happened. So is these red ones, that means I did a trailing stop loss. So GN, this is the GN, the one I believe, yeah, that I held for almost 2 weeks right here from the 9th to the 23rd. And that one made me 279, so I just patiently waited. If you guys, like I said, if you guys saw my other video, it was a negative drawdown of $2,000. And yeah, but I left it, did not break my rules. I still saw it coming back my way, so I left it, and it actually came back. If it went past my rules, I would have just closed it in a loss. But GCAD here, trailing stop loss. Right now, I'm actually aiming for $100, so I'm doing less risk for my account, and so I'm having a bigger stop loss, so my account doesn't get blown. So as you can see here, this one did a trailing stop loss, and I got $117. This one I got double what I was aiming for, $200. And then these two is just one trade. I did the wrong risk, so then I just put half my risk, so then that's why I just put another position of the exact same loss size. If you guys are wondering how I calculate my loss size, they are not random, go check out my video on how to calculate loss sizes correctly, because like I said, every trade that you enter, you're not always aiming for the same amount of pips, so you cannot use the same loss size every time, because then when you have a winning percentage of 50% or 90%, it's not going to be consistent, okay? So that's why my loss sizes are different like this. So check out that video. And then your USD, I did trailing stop loss as well, got 166. So within the week, my profit was $670.58. I currently have 2 trades running right now. These 2 trades are still running. These are not the actual stop loss and take profits. They are just, I just put them in place in case, for example, news or something spikes it, and I'll just take the profit or the loss. I don't want it to blow my account or miss, take profit. So right now I am exactly basically $2,000 in profit. Equity, I don't consider that as a loss until it closes in profit or in a loss. But let me show you guys my 2 trades right now, GCAD and UCAD here. So I'm doing a sell on, this is GCAD, GBP USD or GBP CAD. So right now my stop loss I just put it up there for now just so I don't blow my account, but if it goes below the 200 is what I'm looking for. I bought it down here, but it never passed the MA50. You see here, even though it wicked it, it never passed it, so I just left it. It came back down, and now I'm only down to $400. So that's GCAD. Once it passes all the lower time frames, I just focus on the bigger time frames. You can see here, it still even has room for it to. It came and bounce exactly off the 200 and coming down. So if I plan to exit this trade, if it goes above the moving average 50, I set an alert on my phone using Forex alerts, and I put price just above here. So if it goes off, and then I'll go back and look at it. Yeah, but that's GCAD. So UCAD, let me see here. So UCAD here is perfect. It just did a pullback on the daily, and it's coming to test on this 50 right here. So I just put a crazy stop loss up here, but then I put an alert above this 200 here. If it goes above, then I'm gonna check and see if I should exit the trade soon. But because on H4 it already passed, H1's passed, all these are passed. So the only time frame going in my direction right now is the daily. Yeah, so it still has room. I think it's still coming. It's probably gonna take a week or so for it to come back down, but I'll just be patient with it. Yeah, so let it come down. When price comes and hit break even, I set an alert here too. So when it hits it, I'm coming checking the charts. But right now, basically, it's just a waiting game. Tonight is actually March 30th, so I'm gonna trade in a bit. Yeah, so right now I'm currently $2,000 in profit. I'm thinking maybe once I hit 20 grand in my account, I'll probably do a withdrawal. Or yeah, I'm not sure exactly yet how I plan to do it because I do want to have enough in my account so I can actually reach my 100K goal. But that's about it with my live. Thank you guys all for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, hit that subscribe and hit that like, please, so I can get this videos out more to people on YouTube and to show live trades and just show you guys and help you guys and inspire you guys to become a Forex trader and hopefully to be able to help you guys become full-time if this is the passion that you guys are going towards. But like I said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below, hit the subscribe and hit the like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.